Okay, back with another unboxing. I'm gonna go skiing, and there's no real good way to put skis inside this thing without ruining it. So I ordered some of those crossbars for the little racks there. Just wanted to show you guys what's in this box here, because I wasn't able to find anything online. It came really fast. I ordered it on the 13th. Today is the 14th, so I don't even think it was supposed to be here until tomorrow. So that's cool. It did come UPS. They did just leave it on the, left it on the front porch, so it kind of sat there all day. If that's a concern for you guys, just be aware of it. We're in a kind of good area, dead end road, haven't really had any issues, but the brand is MotorFansClub Racks. You can see on there it was about 125 bucks. The video they showed, actually on the Amazon, it showed, I think it was a Touareg, and it showed the sunroof being able to open. So I'm really hoping that's the case, otherwise I wasted 100 bucks. At any rate, I just wanted to see the quality of this. Packaged decently. Just plastic covers in here. This probably weighs about 8 pounds, maybe 7 pounds, something like that. It's nice brushed aluminum. You can see that. This is going to be the adjustment. It has a little bit of adjustment to meet up on the racks here. That feels pretty good. Shipping was fast. Make sure there's no missing pieces. I don't see a single scratch. Sort of, maybe. It's fine. Comes with a key and a little Allen to adjust it. And these are just the covers and the locks. And these are just plastic, but the finish looks different. You can maybe see that. But I don't think we'll notice once it's up on the top of the car. I'm going to go ahead and get this on. I'll see if I run into any snags, see how it fits. It did say that it was for the Volkswagen Touareg, and this one is a 2012. So if I come in, run into any different little difficulties, I'll be sure to note those. Here's the moment of truth. I'm going to wait to put the little locking covers on until I know I'm not going to explode my sunroof. That's the reason I wanted this car, so it's going to be a really happy, a really sad moment here. A little nervous. Oh shit. There's the answer. Wow. Just hits it. Okay, so a couple things to note if you're doing this. You'll notice up front on that front bar where the glass ends just on the inside of this seal. So you can see how it should clear that no problem. Both sides are the same. The only thing that we might have to deal with is if that thing goes up too high, when it lifts up, hits that, then I'm probably gonna just be really sad. But actually the placement of it isn't too bad. I don't know if I can get a wide enough angle on it to show it's level. I'm gonna get one of those cargo top boxes so I can put skis in it. But let's see if this thing opens. Here we go. Or if I bust my windshield or my sunroof. Oh shit. Okay, so fuck. It's so close. I think I'm gonna try one more time, and I'm just gonna move it all the way forward. Just go as far as possible. It doesn't seem to be hurting it, luckily. But I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna go all the way forward, and yeah. If that doesn't work, then you know not to buy these. All right, this rack is worth it. And I'll show you what I used here. So I got a lot of Volkswagen Bugs. These are intake gaskets. I was just looking for some sort of washer. I was gonna try and put metal ones in. I couldn't find a great way to do it with trying to do a video right now. So what I did is I took two of these. It's just a washer for the, or a gasket for the intake manifold on a Volkswagen Bug. But it's gonna compress over time, I'm sure. And I'm gonna be putting a cargo box up top there with skis and stuff in it, so it's only gonna. But at any rate, that's not important. All you need to do, you can see on here how there's this little arm here. When you tighten this down, that pinches it. And I was so close to having room up there, it just needed to be up a little bit. So I doubled those up, and I'm probably gonna put a metal washer in between these. I'll loosen it back up, put a metal washer in there, and then I'll clamp it back down, and I'll just check it in a couple weeks or whatever, because I'm sure it'll, you know, these aren't made to be used like this. So, but at any rate, you can see air through the whole time. It's not scratching the glass or nothing. And for right now, I'm just going Friday, so I'm just gonna razor blade these off.